Are you thinking about a career in telecoms? Are you a student that is already developing interest in telecommunications? Or you are a tech enthusiast? Or you are just somebody that is very curious about what is happening behind the scenes of mobile networks? This video is just for you. On today's episode, I'll walk you through how to start and grow a career in telecommunications, especially in Nigeria and even across Africa. Telecommunications is the backbone of the modern world. Every call you make, every text you send, every video stream, every WhatsApp message goes and runs through this complex set of networks behind the scenes. But telecoms isn't just SIM cards. It involves radio access network. It involves core network, which is the CS core network and the PS core network. It involves huge transmission systems. It involves IP transport networks. It involves cloud and virtualization networks, and it even involves regulatory and planning. Almost everything is involved. In short, there's something for everyone, and there are many paths you can take to enter telecoms, but here are some common ones. Number one are network engineers. These guys install and maintain the cell site, maintain the microwave links, and also maintain the fiber links. Number two are the core network engineers. These guys are the circuit switch core network engineers and the packet switch core network engineers, the IP multimedia systems engineer, which is the IMS for the VoLTE. Number three are the RF engineers. They practically design the radio coverages. They are the one in charge of doing drive tests and optimize your signal to make sure that you get the best signal as possible in your location. Four are the telecom project managers. These guys manage all rollout projects like new BTS sites or new data centers. These guys are the ones in charge. Number five are the field technicians, or you call them the FMEs, the field management engineers. These are the guys that install the antennas, configure the routers, climb the cell towers, and just practically they are always on the field. That's why they call them field engineers. Number six are the NOC engineers, Network Operation Center, NOC. These guys are the ones that are monitoring all the alarms in the Network Operation Center, monitoring all the alarms and performance, traffic, and detect proactively problems and call the back office engineers to check. Number seven are the regulatory and compliance roles. These are the guys that work with the government agencies like the regulators, for example the NCC, and ensure very strict compliance with the telecom laws in Nigeria. Now, here is what you need to do to succeed in telecoms. The first category is the technical skills. For the technical skills, you need IP networking skills. For example, the TCP/IP, the DNS, and the DHCP. Second on the list is the mobile technologies. You need to know about 2G technology, you need to know about 3G, you need to know about 4G technology, and you now need to know about 5G technology. The next one is about tools. For example, tools like Wireshark, they can come in handy if you are working in the telecom environment. And last but not the least, you need to know about Linux basics. For those in the core network department or even in the cloud department, Linux basics understanding gives you an edge. And just an add-on, as you all know, telecoms is going into cloud basically. So if you have AWS certification, Microsoft Azure certifications to enable you to have soft skills in technical skills in cloud environment, it's a very good add-on. Now, here are the certifications that can boost your career in telecoms. First on the list is CCNA, Cisco Certified Networking Associate. This will boost your networking knowledge. And the second one is Huawei HCIA. This will also boost your networking knowledge, as Huawei is very big in Nigeria. So this is the Huawei equivalent of CCNA. The third one is Nokia NRS. Is the Nokia equivalent also of the networking basics. It helps boost your career in the Nokia environment. And lastly, just go to Udemy and Coursera and go and consume all telecoms courses that are there, and there are a lot of them there. Just go and consume it. Fundamentals of telecoms, go and look for it on Udemy and Coursera. I think this for me for free. And if you're on the engineering part, current certification in Nigeria is a really long-term asset. And guys, here's how you can break into the telecoms world. First, start with online learning. Build a foundation in networking and mobile network basics. Secondly, Intern with ISPs or telcos, even if it is unpaid. The fact that you have an opportunity to intern there, take it even if it is free. It doesn't matter. Just get yourself in the system and learn what you have to learn. Number 3, join online forums and communities like LinkedIn, YouTube. Just join that community where the conversations are happening. Number 4, set up a basic lab. Use free tools like GNS3, Open5GS, or even Wireshark to practice at home right on your computer. Number 5, build a telecom focused LinkedIn profile. Always share what you are learning. For example, you just finished a course like CCNA, share it on your LinkedIn and create engagement with people that are around you in the telecoms world. And remember, your degree or school doesn't define your paths. Your effort and consistency do. If you are passionate about connecting people, solving problems, and shaping the future of Africa's digital economy, then telecoms is the field for you. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to my channel, and drop some comments. Let me know. For example, do you want to know the popular interview questions for if you want to enter telecom environment, or any other questions that you may have? I am Naija Telco Guy. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.